Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today this will be a very short video. I will simply just test the drone. This is the second attempt. I did try the drone earlier. I never got that far as actually trying it. I just ended up bringing it along and I forgot some cords and stuff like that. But now I have the right cables and cords and whatever, and I got the right things that I need. So now we're gonna try some drone drifting, and now I would like to have like a Q&A video on the channel. So if you guys have some questions for me, anything, then please comment on this video, and I will then the comments with the most likes on the videos, and maybe I don't know how many questions I will answer, maybe 20-30 questions, I don't know. But anyways, the questions with the most likes I will answer. So ask me anything and I will make a video with answering your comments. So that's just because I want to get to I want you guys to get to know me better. So comment a question that you wonder, and I will be sure to answer them. Yeah. I will just have a quick status update on the E46. The ABS wheel sensor is broken, so that doesn't work anymore. So now I have no speedo, and I have this magical 3 warning lights. That means I have no ABS or nothing. So I have ordered a new sensor on eBay. It was like 10 bucks or something. Let's try to fire up the drone and get some good footage. Okay, that was kind of fun for me, but I don't know how much the drone actually picked up, because it actually disappointed me a little bit. I don't think it actually followed me all the time. I don't know, but maybe it's some settings or something I did not have correctly. I don't know, but anyways, now I have tested it and it was kind of alright. So maybe if I can just figure out some more settings on the Mavic Pro, then it will be even better. But I think it was kind of cool to see. I only saw it on my phone, so I don't know how good it looks, but I assume it looks kind of cool. The only downside though, I should have got a GoPro on the car or something so I would get some sound, because the drone does not pick up any sound. So you don't get any idea like how much RPMs I have and nothing. But yeah, either way, pretty cool to try it out and test it out and just to see. And yeah, that's about it. It was a really short episode, I'm sorry, but hopefully you got some good content out of it. My main reason to make this video today was to say to you guys that I want to make a Q&A video so you can get to know me better. So like I said before, comment on the video what you want to ask me, and comments with the most likes I will answer. So yeah, go ahead and just comment all the way, and maybe if you don't get that much likes, I will reply anyways. I don't know. So yeah, go comment and I will reply. So that's it for this episode. I really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, have a nice day and see you later. Goodbye.